My name's Lydia Wolfe and I'm from Jack and the Wolf here in the UK. Today I'm going to be using MOISTREPAIR Revival Creme. This product is suitable for all hair types. It's never too heavy, it's never too light, and it works like a traditional leave-in conditioner. Sometimes I find in between wash days, my hair can be a little bit dry and thirsty on the ends, so I'm going to show you how you can use it on dry hair as well. So as you can see, it's left a lovely shine on the hair, but the ends feel really moisturized and smooth as well. So that's it, thanks for watching, and you can watch loads more videos like this on the KMS Pro channel.